Welcome back, guys. I'm Steve, and today we are in the tech room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be walking you through the best portable SSDs in 2026. If you've ever waited too long for files to transfer, you already know how important a good SSD can be. The right one can speed up your workflow more than you'd expect. So, let's go through some of the best portable SSDs available today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time. So again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So, let's get started. The fifth portable SSD on our list is the Samsung T5 EVO 2TB priced at $329, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. Right off the bat, I want to be upfront. This drive is not for people who care about raw speed. It runs on USB 3.2 Gen 1, which caps you at 5 gigabits per second, and the rated read and write speeds are up to 460 megabytes per second. Internally, it uses QLC NAND, flash over a legacy SATA interface, which is why the speed ceiling is so low. On the thermal side, because it's not pushing NVMe speeds, it actually runs cooler than the faster drives. Build quality is solid though. Rubberized shell, metal carabiner clip on top, drop protection up to 6 feet, and it's 102 grams. Security covers 256-bit AES hardware encryption. Connectivity is USB-C only with a USB-C to C cable included. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, Android, PS5, and Xbox. Honestly, it's slow for a solid-state drive in 2026, and at this price, you could get faster alternatives, but what you're really paying for is peace of mind. 2 terabytes of storage backed by Samsung's build quality and AES encryption is actually a solid proposition if reliability matters more to you than raw speed. You're not buying this drive to go fast, you're buying it to store a lot, safely. Our team recommends this for gamer or content creator who needs bulk storage on the go from a reliable brand. The fourth portable SSD on our list is the Crucial X9 1TB priced at $116.99, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. Speed-wise, this thing hits up to 1050 megabytes per second read, and write speed keeps pace at around 950 to 1000 megabytes per second in real-world use, which honestly holds up really well for a drive at this price point. It's running on USB 3.2 Gen 2, so you're capped at 10 gigabits per second bandwidth. That's totally fine for most workflows. For portability, this thing is tiny, like smaller than a credit card, and weighs around 40 grams. You'll forget it's in your pocket. Build quality feels solid with an aluminum housing and a rubberized back, and it's rated IP55 for water and dust resistance plus drop protection up to 7.5 feet. Thermal performance is actually decent. It ran cool even through extended transfers, no throttling in testing. It's formatted in exFAT out of the box, so it's fully plug and play across Windows, Mac, Android, and even gaming consoles, no reformatting needed. There's 256-bit AES hardware encryption baked in too, which is a nice security bonus. However, this thing has no built-in password protection, so if locking your drive behind a pin is non-negotiable for you, check out other options. Our team recommends this for individuals who want an everyday carry SSD. The third portable SSD on our list is the SSK 1TB priced at $147.99, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. This one's interesting because it punches a little above its price tag. Speed-wise, you're looking at up to 1050 megabytes per second read and 1000 megabytes per second write, running on USB 3.2 Gen 2. That's a 10 gigabits per second interface, same ceiling as the Crucial X9. The difference here is that the SSK is rocking an actual NVMe PCIe chip internally, which is why it keeps up so well. For connectivity, they include both a USB-C to C and a USB-C to A cable in the box, which is a nice touch, no hunting for adapters. It's tiny at about 2.7 by 1.5 inches and weighs under 100 grams. Build quality is 2mm thick aluminum alloy with ABS edges, feels sturdy in hand, and it's rated for drops up to 4 feet. Thermally, SSK's own controller algorithms are tuned for lower heat output, and in extended transfers it stays impressively cool. Definitely a win. There's also an LED indicator so you know when it's actively reading or writing, which sounds small but it saves you from yanking it too early. It comes pre-formatted in exFAT, so you're plug and play on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, PS5, Xbox, basically everything. No driver install needed. One thing to know though, write speeds stay consistent only when your transfer is under 25% of the remaining capacity, so keep that in mind during large batch moves. Our team recommends this for those who want a fast, affordable, broadly compatible NVMe SSD for everyday use. The second portable SSD on our list is the SanDisk 1TB priced at $186.24, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. SanDisk's been in this space for a while, and this updated firmware version addresses some of the reliability concerns people had with earlier units. So let's break it down. Speed is rated at up to 1050 megabytes per second read and 1000 megabytes per second write over USB 3.2 Gen 2. So again, that's a 10 gigabits per second interface via USB-C, and both a USB-C to C cable and a USB-C to A adapter are in the box. It's about 4 by 2 inches, barely 0.3 inches thick, and weighs around 64 grams. The silicone shell feels premium and grippy, and there's a carabiner loop built in, which is genuinely useful for outdoor shoots or travel. Durability is where this one actually stands out. It's rated IP65, meaning full dust-tight protection and water jet resistance, which is a step above most competitors at this tier. Thermally, the silicone shell helps dissipate heat, and it manages temps decently during longer transfers without throttling hard. Security-wise, you get 256-bit AES hardware encryption and password protection built right in. Compatibility covers Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone 15, and newer. Take note that the SLC cache drop is real in sustained write workloads, so if you're constantly offloading hours of raw footage, you'll notice the slowdown. Our team recommends this for photographers, casual creators, and travelers. The IP65 rating, the carabiner, and the brand reliability make this one of the safest picks on this list. The best portable SSD on our list is the Samsung T7 1TB priced at $189, which we have awarded a 5 badge rating. If you've been around tech for a minute, you've probably seen this drive sitting on someone's desk. So, let's talk about whether it still holds up in 2026. Speed is rated at up to 1050 megabytes per second read and 1000 megabytes per second write, running on USB 3.2 Gen 2, so 10 gigabits per second over USB-C, same ceiling as the others on this list. Real-world numbers do fall a little short of that, closer to 890 to 940 megabytes per second in sustained transfers, and like most drives in this class, it uses Samsung's TurboWrite SLC cache. So once that fills up on a massive transfer, speeds will dip. That said, Samsung's Dynamic Thermal Guard and EPCM Thermal Pad work really well together to keep heat in check and minimize throttling. And in everyday use, it stays cool and quiet. Build quality is excellent. Full aluminum unibody, credit card footprint, just 58 grams, and it handles drops up to 6.6 feet. Both USB-C to C and USB-C to A cables are included. Security is solid. Optional 256-bit AES hardware encryption with password protection through Samsung's app. Compatibility spans Windows, Mac, Android, PS5, Xbox. Pretty much plug and play across all of it. Now, it sits at a slight price premium over comparable drives, but here's the thing. Samsung makes their own NAND chips in-house, which means tighter quality control compared to brands sourcing chips from third parties. Our team recommends this for those who value brand trust and Samsung's in-house NAND quality. And there you have it, folks, the best portable SSDs in 2026. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Steve signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.